Hi everyone. Okay, I was watching on YouTube. Yes, I watched YouTube and learned just like you're doing. This company, and I can't remember what country. If I find it, I'll put the link at the bottom. They are making enzyme cleaners out of pineapple. That's all they do is pineapple. So I have cut all the skin off this pineapple. All right. And Boris is going to eat the pineapple.
With the plate there.
Okay. Boris is going to eat the pineapple. Because I
Yum.
can't eat pineapple. Because I have interstitial
Sorry.
cystitis. So he's going to eat the pineapple. And then we're not throwing this away. I'm going to make cleaner. Now I am attempting to make the cleaner and we'll see what happens. But it's supposed to be 10 parts water, 3 parts pineapple rind, and 1 part brown sugar. All right? I don't know if it has to be, I can't remember if it's brown sugar or sugar. Anyway, we're going to put brown sugar.
We're going to do brown sugar.
And I am guessing right now what this is. So this to me looks like it might be 10. I'm guessing 10 parts. I'm probably wrong, but I'm going to do it.
We're gonna do it.
And then I'm going to just kind of pour some sugar on here and imagine that's
about, yeah,
one
that's
part.
about 1 part.
And then it's going to ferment and it's going to make this thing start. I think what happens is the enzymes eat the sugar or something. I don't know how it works. But anyway, this company, after they started doing that, they started taking this is another company. Never mind. It's something else I watched.
Yeah,
it was tofu.
Yeah,
They're
tofu.
making biodiesel gas out of tofu. Out of the tofu waste. The fermented tofu waste.
So what we need to do...
But this is going to make a cleaner. And they were saying that they did some testing on it. And it did just as good at cleaning bacteria as bleach did in some cases.
Oh, really?
They haven't tested it 100% on all bacterias. But the ones that they did test, that it did just as good or if not better than bleach.
We need a funnel for that.
I know, but
We need a funnel.
I have a funnel.
We need a funnel.
But I don't think it's going to make... No, it's not going to make a difference.
Yeah, because then we could grab a stick and push
No,
it.
the funnel
Stick
is
it.
too tiny.
No, we need a big hole.
I mean, look, we don't have to. You don't have to do it in a milk jug. You could do it in a big old giant container. This is just easy for me because I can put the lid on it and forget about it. And I think they stirred it every day, and it developed.
Go shook it.
That guy drinks it. He goes by testing it, and he he drank it, and he goes, "That's sour." So cute.
Sour.
Yeah, he was so cute. And he said that this lady, she's like some kind of bioengineer. She invented it, and she has given the recipe to everybody for free. And so this company that makes this enzyme cleaner also gave the recipe. They give it out. And because they're trying to teach the world how to, start using this instead of chemicals, bad chemicals. And
Okay, so what we're going to do is we'll be back in a few months.
I'm going to shake it every day.
And we'll record you shaking it every day. For
Okay.
and then in like 6 months we'll do the test.
No, I think it's just a few weeks. Not 6 months. And then it gets this weird film on top of it, which I think is kind of like the mother. So you remember how I tell you the apple cider vinegar has the mother in it that's really good for you?
Yeah.
And you want the mother in your vinegar, in your apple cider vinegar?
Yeah.
Well, this thing develops a mother, and it's this weird, gooey, like, white
Substance.
scummy thing on top, like a gel. Okay. Anyway, I wanted to show you my enzyme cleaner since I was on the subject. And this is almost ready. So it's been sitting here about 3 months. And this is in the process of being made. And I set some clear water jugs out here so that if I have rinds, everything's ready to go if I need to put some in it. And I've also been testing with pineapple rinds. So it's working out pretty good. But I just wanted to show you. I use this also on the artificial turf to enzyme clean the dog urine from Louie. And I use it at the chicken coop. I use it on a lot of things. So anyway, if you don't want to throw your rinds out because they're really not that great in the compost, so that's what I'm using them for. And then if you wanted to use them again after this process, you could probably put them in your black soldier fly bin to attract the black soldier flies. So, and we'll be doing a video on that this summer too. Show you guys something. Oh my God. I have so many fruit flies, and I did not believe this would work. But it's apple cider vinegar with a few drops of dish soap. Look at all of the fruit flies this thing has caught. Look at how many is in there. I mean, look at that. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Wow. I mean, I guess I've got all these fruit flies attracted to. They weren't before. I don't really know where they came from all of a sudden, but maybe it's the time of year, but they're all over my homemade enzyme cleaner. And I'm catching them and killing them in that little bowl. I can't believe it. Wow. Here's another thing you can do with the enzyme cleaner of a chicken coop. Clean your shoes. Keep it by the door.